Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. A first summit between US President Joe Biden and his Russian counterpart was constructive, Vladimir Putin said Wednesday after the talks in Geneva ended. The conversation was absolutely constructive. Putin told reporters, adding that the sides had agreed for their ambassadors to return in a small gesture of healing in their strained relations. The ambassadors will return to their place of work when exactly is purely a technical question, Putin told reporters after the summit, which lasted about 3.5 hours. Diplomatic relations between Moscow and Washington had all but broken down since Biden took office in January. After Biden linked Putin to a killer, Russia in March took the rare step of recalling its ambassador to US, and the United States did the same. Despite tensions, the summit was an elegant villa on the shore of Lake Geneva. Got off to a good start with the two leaders shaking hands and striking cautiously positive notes. From cyber attacks on American entities and meddling in the last two US presidential elections to human rights violations and aggressions against Ukraine and other European countries, Washington's list of allegations against the Kremlin runs long. Putin came to summit arguing that Moscow is simply challenging US hegemony. Part of a bid to promote a so-called multipolar world that has seen Russia draw close with the US, arguably even more powerful adversary, China. In the pre-summit interview to one of the channels, he scoffed off all the allegations that he had anything to do with cyber attacks or the near-fatal poisoning of one of his last remaining domestic opponents. Biden, ending an intensive first foreign trip as president, arrived in Geneva after summits with NATO and the European Union in Brussels and a G7 summit in Britain. While in Brussels, he said he would detail his red lines. "I'm not looking for conflict," he said, "but we will respond if Russia continues its harmful activities." However, Biden, who previously characterized Putin as a killer, upgraded the Russian leader to the worthy adversary. Officials point to the recent extension of the New START nuclear arms limitations treaty as an example of successful diplomacy. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.